Hello, welcome to our free drawing and painting classes for 5 a.m. club. Before starting the session, before starting the tutorial, I would like to introduce that why I have started this initiative of 5 a.m. club teaching the free drawing and painting class early in the morning. There are basically many of the reasons. Among these few, I would like to discuss you. The first very basic reason is that waking up early in the morning at 5 a.m. is a very good habit, and whatever you learn at that time, that is fixed in your mind permanently. Second is, I have started that free drawing and painting classes for those students or for the people who can't afford my paid sessions. For them, I am taking that with a 0 rupees charge. I am not charging anything from that. So this is my main purpose, and for those people I am ready to wake up early in the morning. But I suppose from other side also that I expect that you should also wake up early in the morning. So if I am waking up early in the morning, I expect that you also wake up early in the morning. So this is the main goal, that why I have started this initiative of 5 a.m. club. Second thing is, for the people those who can't wake up early in the morning but still want to get access of these sessions, because the access whatever I am teaching from the in the 5 a.m. club session, those sessions will not be available permanently on my YouTube channel. This will be available only for a short period of time, only till I am live. At that time only you can access those sessions. If you are not able to wake up early in the morning, you won't be able to access that session. It's that simple. But still, if you want to get access to that session, and you are not waking up early in the morning but still you want the access for the sessions for the entire day or for the entire month, I am charging a small token amount from you, 500 rupees for 1 month, to get all the access, all the sessions anytime for you, 24/7, that will be available for you. But my most interest is not to charge you that 500 rupees, but my main concern is to wake you up in the early in the morning and to be present in my live sessions. That is more precious thing which I am expecting from you, and that is my main motto for that also. And nothing will be charged for my already existing paid students who have purchased my paid classes. For them there won't be any charge, and they can access anytime whenever they want. So this is what my basic rules are for my 5 a.m. club, that you should wake up early in the morning to get the access for the sessions, and this is my main purpose, to wake you up early in the morning. If I am ready to work with you, I expect that you should also be ready to work with me, and this is what our 5 a.m. club session is all about. You can enjoy here all types of paintings, whether it is related to watercolors, poster colors, acrylics, oils, charcoals, different types of mediums, along with different types of subjects also, different types of concepts also. Whatever I am going to teach you in these sessions, you have to practice it along with me, and you have to show your work to me on my WhatsApp mobile number 9665206208 to get a further feedback from me and improve your paintings little bit more and more each and every day, slowly and gradually. So this is for our today's session or for our 5 a.m. club, and meet you soon in our next sessions of the 5 a.m. club, and see you till then. Have a nice day.